Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge. Guys, when it comes to towing, you always want the tow mirrors. And some people have been asking me lately, hey, when it's realistically, do I need tow mirrors? I'm gonna say yes. If you ever tow anything kind of big, like a fifth wheel and all that stuff, and you have those dinky mirrors, you can't see shit. Let's be honest, right? The good thing about these mirrors is they do slide. These ones on the Tradesman, they are not power, so you just pull them out, they come out like that. But on like the Laramies, the big horns, all stuff, they are power. They power slide. They have blind spot, all the fun stuff, and that helps out, just for convenience, really. But the big thing I'd say is yes, when you're towing, I am a big fan of tow mirrors. Do they look good on the heavy duties? Yes. On the half tons, they look like trash. Honestly, like let's be honest, they look like elephant ears. They don't look good. They look like Dumbo. And then another question that I got asked, and I was kind of putting myself in perspective too a little bit, is how do the tow mirrors interact with like everyday driving, especially in like the city and all that stuff. Heavy duty trucks are obviously bigger, so you just know they are, but when it does come to even the half tons or these trucks, they kind of do stick out more than the average mirror, so that kind of is annoying if you're going to like tight spots or anything like that. But the good thing is they are breakaway mirrors, so they do fold pretty simple. Again, this is a Tradesman, so your entry level, so it's not power, but if you go into the higher trims like the big horns and Laramies, limiteds, all that, they're power folding, so if you have to, click the button, fold them in. Especially when you're parking, you're gonna wanna fold them in anyways. So it is nice to have, and it is very convenient. So yes, the question to me, answering on if tow mirrors are a necessity when you're towing, I'm gonna personally say yes, and that's my personal belief. If you're a professional and don't need them, then that's on you, but realistically, it's a little bit of help, and small little mirrors and you're pulling a fifth wheel, you're probably gonna hit something. Let's be honest. But anyways, that's my little TED talk on mirrors, guys. For more information, just call me anytime. I'll go over the mirrors with the power options, the standard mirrors, whatever you want. Just give us a call anytime, 780-942-3629.